Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about AWS Elastic Beanstalk. What is AWS Elastic Beanstalk and how does it work? All these things will be covered in this video. So if you are new in our channel, so please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get update first. So let's start. What is our today's agenda? What is Elastic Beanstalk? How does Elastic Beanstalk work? What is benefit of Elastic Beanstalk? What is concept of Elastic Beanstalk? How to create Elastic Beanstalk? Today we are going to cover these topics in this video. So what is first our topic? What is Elastic Beanstalk? AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a compute service which make it easier for the developer to quick deploy and manage applications which you upload to AWS cloud. Developers simply upload their application to the AWS cloud and then let the AWS Beanstalk provision and handle the configuration for you. Your application will be provided with capacity provisioning, load balancing, auto scaling, and health monitoring. How does Elastic Beanstalk work? First of all, we will have to create an application. Then all these applications should be in the zip file and will have to upload in the version. After that, we will have to launch environment and then it will go to manage environment. You will get their manage environment. Here you will get some dashboard types of manage environment. After that, suppose if you have to update your version, if you have to some changes on your website, so you will have to update your version and deploy new version. So you can do this thing by the manage environment. You have to update version and deploy new version. So in this case, in this types of, you can upload your version and upload and update your website in the Elastic Beanstalk. So in these types of Elastic Beanstalk work. What is the benefit of Elastic Beanstalk? Elastic Beanstalk provide the user with several benefits and they are easy to start with: auto scaling options, developer productivity, customization, cost effective management and updates. Easy to start with. The fastest and easy way to upload your application and keep it running is uploading it to the Elastic Beanstalk. You need not worry about the platform of your application. You can create it on your local system and upload it. Auto scaling option: Beanstalk takes care of scaling up or down whenever required. If your application's traffic increase or decrease, Beanstalk automatically scales it accordingly. Developer productivity. Developer don't need to think much about uploading their application online. They only have to concentrate on keeping their application more secure and user friendly. Customization. AWS Elastic Beanstalk allow you to select the configuration of your AWS services which you have used with your application. For example, consider AWS EC2. You can change the instance type which is optimal for your application. Also, if you want to take control of your some service manually, you can change the setting according to it. Cost effective. There is no cost involved in creating a beanstalk environment. When there is a need for making it into production of your application, then you can create your application bigger. Management and updates. You need not to worry about updating your application according to the change in the platform. The software patches, platform updates, and the infrastructure management is taken care by the AWS professional. What is the concept of Elastic Beanstalk? There are certain key concepts which you come across frequently and when you deploy an application on Beanstalk. Let's have look at those concepts. First is application. An application is Elastic Beanstalk is conceptually similar to a folder. An application is a collection of components including environment, version and environment configuration. Application version. An application version refer to a specific labeled iteration of deployable code for your application. An application version point to an Amazon S3 object that contain deployable code such as a Java var file. Environment. Environment within Elastic Beanstalk application is where the current version of the application will be active. Each environment run only a single application version at the time, but it is possible to run same or different version of an application in many environments at the same time. Environment tier. Based on requirement, Beanstalk offer two different environment tier: web server environment and worker environment. Web server environment handle HTTP request for clients. Worker environment process background tasks which are resource consuming and time intensive. Now we will see that how to create a Elastic Beanstalk. So first of all, we will have to log in on our AWS console, go to service and click on Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, after that you will get their compute in the Elastic Beanstalk. After that you have to click on create application. You will get here at this option, and after the clicking here you will get this option. You will have to create an application web, application name such as a Tomcat, key whatever you want to, value whatever you want to put. You have to select the platform as we have selected a Tomcat. Sample application and upload your code. Whatever you want to do, you will have to choose that selection and you will have to do according to your requirement. If you have to configure more setting, so you will have to click here configure more option, and then you will have to create application. After the creating, you will get your dashboard like this, where you will get the links, health report, running version and configuration. After that, dashboard, configuration, log, health, monitoring, alarms, manage updates and tags. These things we will get here. So one time we will do in the practical these things. So firstly we will have to log in this thing on our portal. So what we will go, we have login here already. We will have to go in the service. We will get Elastic Beanstalk in the compute service. So we will have to click here Elastic Beanstalk. You will get this option. You will have to create application. Then you will have to click here. After the clicking, these kinds of option will be available. Such I will have to select here Tomcat. Okay. We'll have to key ls Tomcat and value whatever we want to put here. After that we will have to select Tomcat version. Okay. And if you want to do sample application and you want to upload your code, so you will have to choose here and you will select the file, local file, public S3 file and version level and application code tag also here you can put here. We will select as a sample application, and after that if you want to configure more options, so you will have to click here, and after that you will have to create application. After the clicking here, you will get the dashboard like this and you will do further your steps. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please like this video and subscribe our channel. And you can support us on Patreon. So please support us to live in this field. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and comments also. Your comments motivate us. Thanks for watching.